Hello viewers, welcome to our problem solving. Today's problem is count duplicate characters from string. We already have all the instructions here. We just follow and we will enjoy the coding. Okay, let's get started. First to do, create a method. Okay, this is the method name. Count duplicate characters V1 version 1 and argument type is string, return type is map. So public static, so return type is map, first parameter is character, second parameter is long, and then method name, we method argument type is a string. Okay, so our method is done. To do 1 is done. Now to do 2, check input string is valid or not. Okay, if str equal null or str is blank, if so, that means it is not actually valid input, then we can return empty map. Okay, now to do 3, remove all spaces from string and make string lowercase. Now we declare a new string variable, str new equal str dot replace all space, and then we make it lowercase. Okay, our to do 3 also done. Now to do 4, create an instance of map. So map character long result equal to new HashMap. Now to do 5, start a for slope and convert string to character array. So for slope, since we will convert to character array, so we will get actually character. Okay, str new dot to character array, and at this point to do 6, compute is character and add those at map instance. So compute based on character. Now there is a function, so character value, so value, if value equal null, that means first time value will be 1, otherwise value will increase by 1 b. So it is complete to compute all the characters, but in this map we have all the characters, duplicate and non-duplicates, but we need only the duplicates, so we have to remove all the non-duplicates characters. So result dot entry set dot remove if. Okay, remove if, so get value less than 2, that means that actually not duplicate. Now we are done. Now return the result. Okay, fine, complete. Now we can test our program, and for loop map dot nt character long nt. Okay, now we can call the method and provide some string India and Bangladesh. Okay, now we will take only entry set. Okay, fine. Entry dot get key first and entry dot get value. Here we can use an colon or something like this, and now we can see the result. Oh, fine. Perfect. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts and or confusion, then please write comments. Okay, I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible.